Hey everyone, in this video, I will talk about SAP S4HANA Cloud Tutorial for Beginners. This is an advanced cloud-based ERP solution that helps businesses streamline operations, manage resources, and improve efficiency. On getting started, first log in. Open your browser and go to their website. Now enter your username and password provided by your administration and log in. Navigating the user interface. On the home screen, it displays tiles for different applications and functions. On the search bar, you can search functions to find the specific transactions or reports. On the favorites, you can add frequently used application to your favorites for quick access. Now on understanding key modules in SAP S4HANA Cloud. First is the Finance, FI, and Controlling CO. Manage financial transactions, including accounts payable, accounts receivable, and general ledger. Generate financial reports and control cost centers. On Sales and Distribution, manage customer orders, invoicing, and deliveries, monitoring sales performance and customer interactions. On Procurement and Supplier Management or it handles purchase orders, supplier management, and inventory tracking. And automate procurement workflows for efficiency. On Manufacturing and Production Planning or PP, can plan and control production processes. You can track materials, work orders, and supply chain events. On Human Capital Management or HCM, you can manage employee records, payroll, and talent development. On Automate HR processes for better workforce management. On Performing basic transactions. On creating a purchase order, navigate to the Procurement module. Click Create Purchase Order, enter supplier details, materials, and order quantity. Click Save to generate the PO number. On creating a sales order, go to the Sale and Distribution module. Click Create Sales Order and enter customer details. Select the product, quantity, and pricing terms, and then click Save to confirm the order. On generating a financial report, open the Finance module. Select Financial Statement Report, choose the reporting period and format, click Run Report to generate insights. On using automation and analytics. For automating workflows, use SAP Business Workflow to automate repetitive tasks, set up alerts and notifications for approvals and deadlines. On using embedded analytics, generate real-time dashboards to monitor key performance indicators or KPIs, and lastly, customize reports using SAP Analytics Cloud. And that's basically it.